Hi guys, Mira is back! Welcome back to our NFT hydroponics guys. Look at this. Ang lulusog, ang lalaki ng mga leaves niya. Hindi na namin maubos-ubos guys. So look at this. Yung iba na mulaklak na. This is rackets. And look at this guys. Oh my gosh, they really like this hydroponics NFT. At talaga namang ang taba nila guys. Ang taba nila. So tonight I'm going to get some of the rackets kasi magsasalad na naman ako guys. And I pair it with